Amla, or Indian gooseberry, is a powerful addition to your weight loss journey. Known for its tangy taste and exceptional health benefits, this small green fruit is a nutritional powerhouse. With its high vitamin C, fiber, and antioxidant content, Amla supports digestion, boosts metabolism, and may help burn fat. Let's explore how you can incorporate this superfood into your diet and its many advantages for healthy weight management. What is Amla? Amla, often called the superfruit, is a vibrant yellow-green fruit native to India and Asia. In Sanskrit, it is known as Amrita or Amalaki, symbolizing its life-giving properties. For centuries, it has been used in Ayurvedic medicine to promote overall health, thanks to its rich nutrient profile, including vitamin C, calcium, iron, and antioxidants. Why is Amla beneficial for weight loss? Rich in fiber. Amla is a fantastic source of dietary fiber, which slows digestion and keeps you feeling full longer, reducing the urge to snack unnecessarily. This helps control calorie intake and supports weight loss. Boosts digestion. With its alkaline properties, Amla helps balance stomach acidity, improving gut health and aiding digestion. A healthy digestive system is key to effective weight loss. Controls blood sugar levels. Amla has a low glycemic index, meaning it releases sugar slowly into the bloodstream. This helps regulate blood sugar levels, preventing spikes that lead to cravings or overeating. Speeds up metabolism. High in vitamin C, Amla helps optimize metabolic activity. A faster metabolism means your body burns calories more efficiently. Packed with antioxidants. Amla's antioxidants neutralize free radicals, reduce inflammation, and promote detoxification. This aids in maintaining a healthy metabolism and supports fat loss. How to use Amla for weight loss. Here are 5 simple and delicious ways to include Amla in your daily routine. Fresh Amla juice. Kickstart your day with freshly squeezed Amla juice. Add a touch of honey or lemon for extra flavor. Amla powder. Mix Amla powder into smoothies, yogurt, or sprinkle it on salads for a nutrient boost. Amla chutney. Prepare a tangy chutney using fresh amla, spices, and herbs for a flavorful side dish. Amla pickles. Try traditional amla pickles as a healthy snack or accompaniment to your meals. Amla infused water. Infuse water with sliced amla for a refreshing, vitamin-packed drink. How to make amla juice at home. Here's a simple recipe for homemade amla juice. Ingredients: 1 cup fresh amla, a pinch of salt, a pinch of cardamom powder, stevia drops, optional. Instructions: wash and dry the amla, then remove the seeds. Boil amla in water until soft, then blend into a paste. Mix the paste with salt, cardamom powder, and stevia to taste. Store the concentrate in the freezer. To prepare juice, mix 2 to 3 spoons of the concentrate with water. Additional health benefits of amla juice. Reduces belly fat. Its ability to boost metabolism and improve digestion helps target stubborn fat around the abdomen. Detoxifies the body. Amla aids in flushing out toxins, promoting better digestion and weight loss. Improves skin health. Drinking amla juice regularly can enhance skin texture, reduce blemishes, and promote a natural glow. Promotes heart health. Amla supplements may support heart health by managing lipid levels. A study found that taking 500 mg of amla extract twice daily for 12 weeks reduced cholesterol and triglyceride levels in participants with dyslipidemia, a risk factor for heart disease. Amla supplements, rich in flavonoids, polyphenols, vitamins, and minerals, may aid in diabetes management. Their antioxidant properties can minimize cell damage and regulate carbohydrate breakdown. By slowing this process, Amla may support the pancreas in producing sufficient insulin to fuel the body. Amla, packed with vitamin C, quercetin, and ellagic acid, may reduce inflammation and lower cancer risk. It might also boost the effectiveness of cancer treatments and minimize side effects, though more research is needed to confirm these benefits. Risks: Amla may have blood thinning effects, so caution is advised for individuals taking anticoagulant medications, as it could increase the risk of excessive bleeding. Additionally, some people might be allergic to certain proteins in amla, leading to symptoms such as itching, swelling, or drowsiness. In a clinical study, a few participants also reported mild side effects like gastritis, fever, or headaches. Further research is needed to better understand these potential risks. Amla is a common ingredient in anti-aging skincare products, known for its ability to lighten pigmentation and enhance skin brightness. A small study found that applying a topical gel containing amla extract improved wrinkles, skin elasticity, and hydration in participants. What to know about amla for weight loss? What is the best time to consume amla? The ideal time is in the morning on an empty stomach for maximum benefits. Can amla juice help reduce belly fat? Yes, its metabolism-boosting properties aid in burning belly fat. How much amla should you consume daily? You can consume 1 to 2 fresh amla or 2 teaspoons of amla juice daily, but consult a healthcare professional for personalized advice. Can amla juice be consumed at night? It's not recommended due to its astringent nature and cooling effect. Conclusion: amla isn't just a fruit, it's a powerhouse of health benefits, including support for weight loss, improved digestion, and natural detoxification. Whether enjoyed fresh, as juice, or in other preparations, this superfruit is a flexible and valuable addition to a balanced diet. Add amla to your routine today and take a step closer to your fitness goals.